Guys and girls, it's know it time!
Yep. So, the next part of this lesson really is, what's the order? Order matters. It matters in which one you do first. And here, I'm going to give you a question. What's... Whoa, 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 whoa. And that's why I don't teach English. What's the order? Okay. Here we go. If I give you something very basic, y equals to 1/2 open bracket, sorry, not open bracket, f open bracket negative 3x plus 4. A lot of you look at this and say, hey, this is pretty simple because there's a lot of things that happen. I want you to write, there are things that happen. There's this thing that happens. And there's a lot of things that happen to us. Here's example 1. Write in English, what are all the manipulations that I'm doing to my original equation? Guys, gals, I'm going to pause it. Again, I'm going to start nice and I'll start with the first one. This is a vertical compression by 1/2. Okay, nothing too tricky. Gary, give me nothing that happens to it. Up 4. That's correct. Okay, no tricks. Zenat, give me nothing that happens. Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Reflection, not right. Reflection in the y-axis. There's one more. Horizontal compression by 1/3. See? Unlike trig and logs, I didn't really have to use any fancy formulas. I just look at it and it just comes flowing naturally. But now the question is, what order I do this in? The answer is, there's the little short memorization thing. It's called SRT rule. S stands for stretches. So you're going to do all your stretches first. And what I mean stretches, that's compressions also. So stretch, compressions, all that goes first. Horizontal or vertical, you choose which one you do first. It doesn't matter. Once you do your stretches, guess what R stands for? Reflections. Okay. Speaking of reflections, there's another really good song. Mulan. It's called... Didn't I play this? Reflections? Did I play Reflections for you? Oh yeah, I made a man out of you. Reflections is not a good song. I'll play it for you later. That'll be your study music. T stands for translation. Translation means left, right, up, down. That's transformation is the whole entire thing as a group. Translation really means left, right, up, down. Okay. Transformation is the whole entire thing combined together. Yep. Stretches, compression, they all. So guys, gals, I want you to write this in order.
So all the Autobots go through SRT?
SRT, that's the one. Okay. So we're going to write this in order. We'll start with, again, you choose vertical or horizontal, it doesn't matter. I'm going to keep it the way it is. So right now, I'm going to do vertical compression by 1/2. What's the next thing? Irish, what's the next thing you're going to do? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, there's one more. You can't do reflection yet. HC by 1/3. You have to do this in exact order. By 1/3. Okay. And then, there's a reflection. And after reflections, there's going to be up 4. Okay, voila. I'm going to give you a point. A point 6, negative 8 lies on f of x. Find the new point for me, please. Yep, no, same thing. I'm going to take this, and I'm going to apply it into all this. What is a new point? I'm going to pause it, and let you have a crack. Okay. I'm going to start with 6, negative 8. That's all. I always start. And the key, you're going to do this many times, nice and slow. I'm going to do the first line. Vertical compression by a half. Abraham, what's it going to be? I'm afraid. What's it going to be if you do vertical compression by a half? You're at 6 and negative 8, so what are you going to be at right now? 6, comma, negative 4. So you're going to do this many times. I always like to do over and over again. If you do this many times, it makes it easier. Some of you try to in your head on one shot, and you're going to make mistakes. See, I'm going to do next line. Horizontal compression by 1/3. Robert, what did you get? So you're at 6, negative 4 right now. Horizontal compression by 1/3. 2 and negative 4. See, that stays the same. I'm going to do this line by line. See, the more you do it, the easier this becomes. So now, there's a reflection. But we didn't say in the y-axis. So Ryan, what would you get?
Negative 2 and negative 4.
Negative 2, negative 4. See, just step by step. Finally, up 4. Megan, what did you get to go up 4, Megan? Negative 2 and 4. Negative, ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. 0. Voila. And you circle this as your final answer. See? 1, 2. That's to be my teacher. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Negative 2, comma, 0. Guys, gals, try this on your own. No. Sorry? Rats. Or you can do RST. SRT. Yeah, it works. But you gotta, yeah, it works. It won't, translation is the key. Translation will mess things up if you make the mistake there. Okay? Try this one, guys. Hi. Points for what? No. 2y equals to negative f. This is going to be x plus 4 minus 4. Your point, sorry, I'm going to ask you A, English. Anglais. B. Your point is A, comma, B. Oh, remember that one you hate so much? You can do whatever you like. A lot of you are confused because of this one part right here. See this, a lot of you say, Mr. No, if I isolate for 2, what happens to the whole entire thing? You have to understand this. This is actually 2 pieces. The first piece is f. The second piece is the minus 4. There's actually 2 separate pieces. So when you bring this 2 over, guess what it changes? Both pieces. So this becomes y equals to negative 1/2 f x plus 4. But the minus 4 now is not a minus 4 anymore. Because there's no number in the quiz. It's just an f of x in the quiz. Oh, it is. Look at it. And look, notice inside. My inside never changes. Because this is f of x. It's like protected by the f. It's one whole thing. My 4 outside changes, but 4 inside. Some of you say, Mr. No, why isn't that a 2 then? Because it's a f of x plus 4. So now, guys and gals, you can write down your English from this. So in English, this is going to be...
Can we just do it on our own?
Yep. You can do it. Get a few things down. Number 1, English. I see vertical compression by 1/2. There's a reflection. Reflection in x. If you just say reflection, I will take off half a mark. You have to tell me what axis it is. Now, I see left 4. Down 2.
Does it matter if left 4 and down 2 or?
Nope, doesn't matter. Guys and gals, from here, I have the letters A, comma, B. We're going to do this step by step, arrow. Okay? We're going to hit this in order. There's going to be a lot of arrows. Again, just take your time. Vertical compression by half, well, that's easy. That's A, comma, B over 2. Okay, notice how I'm doing it step by step. Reflection in x-axis, so my y value changes.
Why is it over 2?
Over 2? Because I'm multiplying b by 2, by half. Same thing as dividing by 2. So this is going to be negative b over 2. That's my reflection right there. Hi. Negative 2? Where? Because I bring this 2 over and I divide everything by 2. Yep. The bracket won't be affected. It's only things outside. Okay. Next one. This is going to be a minus 4 negative b over 2. See, I'm doing step by step. And finally, the last piece. A minus 4 negative b over 2 minus 2. Voila. Question.
Does it really matter if you just do negative 1/2 multiplied by b?
Nope, same thing. I'm going to give you a super no question for today. Good luck. Sorry?
We all have to get it. Everyone should know.
This is plus means left. So left is minus. Because you got to think of a number to the left of something is minus that number.
For level 3 now.
Okay? And this, ladies over there, here is your question for today. Nope. This is individual question. What you're going to do is I want all your notebooks closed. You will get only one sheet of paper out, please. Notebooks closed. You can't review your own notes. Yep, can be on the back side. Individual challenge. If your notebook is open, you're disqualified. This challenge is going to be something that's easy. You just got to remember what we did before. If I asked you this challenge a month ago, every one of you will be able to get it. I want to see who remembers this stuff now. I want you to draw.
Is it like uranium?
Oh, uranium, please. Draw the graph. There's a reason I'm giving this question. And label the axis.
I remember this. I know it.
Okay? I'm going to give you a very simple question. Y equals to, there's a reason I'm choosing this. Negative 3 sine, open bracket, 2 minus pi plus 4. Oh, sorry, 2 theta. That's a 2 theta. I'm going to erase this, write this again. I'm going to pause it. Thing you have to do first.
Take the 2 out.
Take the 2 out. The reason why was I was looking to see who remembered to take the 2 out. That's the most important thing you can remember. When I take the 2 out, it actually changes the equation. That's theta minus pi by 2 plus 4. So when I draw the graph, I'm looking for your starting point, which is pi by 2. I'm looking for, did you draw the graph like this next? Okay? And you label the x and y axis. The reason why I give you this as a refresher is you're going to see this again on transformations. Here is your question. Y equals to negative 2 f.
Wait, what? Supernote?
Nope, not. I'm just going to give you this. Negative 4 x plus 16 minus 3. In English, tell me everything that happens.
Is this our notes again?
Yeah, we're back to notes again. In English, tell me everything that happens for here. You have to take out this negative 4.
Why?
Because just like sine theta's rule says that number in front of x should be always after the bracket. Sorry, before the bracket.
What's the b value in terms of translation?
In terms of translation, I'm going to teach you right now. So this, when you take this out, this is -2. Write a star beside this for me, star. Okay. You should never have a coefficient for x. Coefficient for... They have it, but it won't change anything because there's no translation. For x, okay, in a bracket. So, which means when I have x inside a bracket just like this, there should not be a coefficient inside a bracket. So what you got to do is factor out the -4. We're going to bring this out. So when you bring this out, this becomes -4, open bracket, x, -4, -3. Now, you can actually do it. Before, some of you asked me to know, but in your previous question, if you look at my previous question to this one, there's a -3. It won't change anything because there's no left or right movement. But with the moment when you have shift left or right, just like this is when it gets really important. Okay? So guys, gals, now write down the English in order for me, please. There's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things happening to this. Order matters. And write down 6 things.
You didn't teach us what b does.
What would be? What would be?
-4.
-4? Well, I taught you everything. So, there's a vertical expansion by 2, agree? The question now is, some of you must know, what the heck does this 4 do? See, this 4 was originally in front of x, but what does that 4 do?
Compression.
Compression by,
1/4.
so we're going to write down horizontal compression by 1/4. Guys, gals, I'm going to leave the next 4 on your own. I'm going to pause it. So we know there's a reflection in x. Reflection in y. Then I go right 4, down 3. Guys, gals, here's the order. I'm going to give you a point. Your point is 8, 2. Find my final point. Here's the point on f of x. Find the new final one for me, please. Again, you're going to do this in order. The more times you do this in order, the easier it becomes. Okay, just take it simple. Do the first one. Bracket, bracket. Okay, vertical expansion by 2. No tricks. Who haven't picked on? Camille, vertical expansion by 2, what would you get? What's 4? So coordinate 8, 4. Okay. Because I didn't do anything to 8 yet. What question? Slow motion for you. Oh, slow motion. What was going on? No, I'm going to do in order slowly. See, I'm going to work with the horizontal vertical expansion first. I didn't do anything yet. Now I'm going to do the next line. Horizontal compression by 1/4. Some of you say, Mr. No, can I just do all in one shot? You could, but you're going to create errors if you try to do it in one shot. Okay? I hope you have 2 and 4. Okay? Because nothing changes after that. Reflect x and reflect y. If you want to do this in one shot right here, you could. Go ahead, do it both. So yeah, take it simple. -2, -4. Then, right 4, down 3. Again, I'm going to merge this in order. So my right 4 becomes 2. Down 3 becomes -7. And that's it.
What was Muta?
Chinese.
What does that mean?
I don't know what it means. Guys, your work. That's it for today. Page.
She's like, there's no theory. The clip's laughing again. Yay.
She's back to normal. So which means the class is gonna be loud, annoying again.
Grumpy's happy.
Page 13. Number. Sorry, page 13's answer. Page 11.
I've been seeing it. I traded it. I traded it a little bit with someone.
Try number 1 to 3. Now number 4, I want you to ace it for me, please. Because really, I don't need you to do all those graphs. It's just really a waste of time. And number 5, I advise you do all of number 5 and 6. You should be able to do everything. I've taught you how to do everything there is. Every other graph. Do every other graph of number 4. Because really, I don't need you to do them all. Guys, gals, that's it.